do upper back, and same for this one. I'm usually standing behind them because it looks like the TRX where you're just going to give it your weight and fall backward, but obviously you're not because it can't hold you. So you're going to go knees bent, and I always say make sure you're holding your body's weight on your knees. So the hands are facing toward each other, the shoulders are down away from the neck. You're going to pull backwards, squeeze the back muscles together, and then bring the hands forward. Back muscle squeeze together and then forward. So think about pinching a penny between the back muscles. If they don't have enough tension, just move them back away from the door. Squeeze the back muscles and forward. Big things here are they're going to want to pull the elbows back as far as they can. And what that's going to do, you can already see it, is it rocks the shoulder forward. So it's not about the elbows getting back here. It's about the back muscles squeezing. So that's the two like things that sort of fight against each other. So a lot of times I'll be behind them. I'll externally rotate the scapula bones together to squeeze the back muscles behind them. So squeeze the scapula bones together, pinch a penny between the bones, and then you can feel the upper back muscles, a little bit of arms working too. And then I also say the hands work like hooks so that they're not death gripping on the hands. That tightens up a little too much forearm.